On the morning of September 11th, 2001, the world witnessed a tragedy that would forever change our lives. It was a day like any other, but in a matter of moments, it became a day that none of us would ever forget. At 8:46 a.m., American Airlines Flight 11 crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center. Just 17 minutes later, United Airlines Flight 175 struck the South Tower. The heart of New York City was under attack. At 9:37 a.m., the Pentagon, the heart of our nation's defense, was struck by American Airlines Flight 77. A fourth plane, United Airlines Flight 93, was heroically diverted by its passengers and crashed into a field in Pennsylvania, preventing further devastation. In the midst of chaos and destruction, we saw remarkable acts of bravery. First responders, firefighters, police officers, and ordinary citizens ran toward danger, risking their lives to save others. Their courage and sacrifice remain a beacon of hope. The impact of 9/11 was immediate and profound. Nearly 3,000 lives were lost that day, and countless more were forever altered. The world stood still, united in grief and solidarity. In the aftermath, we witnessed a global outpouring of support as people from all corners of the world came together to stand against terror and embrace the power of unity. Today, we remember the victims and honor the heroes. We reflect on the resilience of those who survived and the strength of a nation that came together in the face of unimaginable tragedy. The spirit of hope, unity, and perseverance continues to guide us as we move forward, always remembering the lessons of 9/11 and the enduring legacy of those who were lost.